Hello everyone. Today, I'd like to share a brief overview of one of the most significant annual Buddhist festivals in our country, the Kathina Robe Offering Ceremony. The word Kathina is an ancient Pali word that means firm or lasting. This refers to the lasting merit and benefits received from this special offering. It's a special occasion for lay Buddhists to offer new robes and other necessities to the monastic community, or the Sangha, only once a year, right after the Vassa, the 3-month rains retreat for monks. This period lasts for exactly 1 month, from the day after the full moon of Thadingyut, usually in October, until the full moon of Tzongmen in November. The lay people, to show our gratitude to the monks who spent the rainy season in one place, devoting themselves to meditation and study, special merit. It's considered the highest form of offering because of its strict time limit and special rules, it grants the monks certain temporary, Vinaya, monastic rule, privileges for the coming months, unity. The offering is made to the entire community of monks, the Sangha, at a monastery, not just to an individual monk. Myanmar, Kathina is a time of great celebration, often featuring a vibrant procession of gifts, including the famous Paditha tree, a symbolic wishing tree decorated with money and offerings. Thank you for allowing me to share this beautiful tradition.
Laja, Bru, Satu Dida, Ayat Dimyanam, Ata Dida, Ayat Sinyanam, Data Dida, Ayat Senye, Lanai, Nija, Gonga Kita, Dokita Nyane, Luyo Naba, Pyamamajaya, Amikanya, Pijato, Udan, Dozola, Alu Dairama, Do Edin, Ta, Mount Nayedo, Mount Tanganalu, Mita, Tuni, Adu Dagua, Tila, Yukatia, Rola, Jajava, Kanya.
Yejo Chama, Niwe Yajwa, Karama, Pado, Konya Tila, and Saudi and Jeto Tila, Sudo. Attending Suda, Tanga will do Yame. I don't Tanga will do Yama, Chicken, Tanga will in Tanga, the young Rema. Yejo Chona, young Rema, the Hilo, Imilu, Purus in the Bawa, a sweary or Shida, the young Martino, the Hoki don't do me. Eric says, Agada, Nagada, Nanga, for it. Oh, there's our in how about when Yana Matina Yaga Sakio, Dana will yell Nanga, Yaku Leshi Yauset Nanga. Now Dana when Yauna, I will do with the Dana, I will do with your, and do the Garamania. Hello, within time day, I die next to Gaya. Mayamandi, Nandara. Buddha Dukkha Do Moshana Thaya ရိဝါရံဣမံကတိနာစီဝရံကတိနတ္ထာယတံဂတ္တာတံဂတ္တာတံဂတ္တာဒီပူဇော်ပါ၏ရှင်မြတ်တို့ဗျာတန်ဃာတော်သည်ဤကထေရယာသင်္ကန်းဖြင့်ကထေကို
စေတနာဆက်တန်နဲ့နိဗ္ဗာန်တည့်မဲ့တို့စေတနာပါ လိုက်တာသူစေတနာထုတ်ခဲ့လို့လူတိုင်းချစ်ကျူအံ့ဩကြပြီတာအလှပကူလေမမဲမောတဲ့ဒေါ်စေတနာပစ္စည်းကိုလည်းမပြင်ပယ်တဲ့ဒေါ်စေတနာစေတနာတွေဟောရရှာလို့အလုံးမကြီးလို့ခေါ်မဲ့အစားဒေါ်စေတနာလို့ခေါ်လိုက်ကြပါဗျာစေတနာကလည်းကောင်းလိုက်တာစေတနာကလည်းရှိလိုက်တာသူစေတနာသူကဲလို့လူတိုင်းချစ်ကြအံ့ဩကြ